age was not yet. If that one verse is the whole plan of God in the nutshell, the fig tree represents the Jews. And you see the fig tree budding and all the other trees. The leaves represent their religious tradition, their relationship with God. They had life, or there would not have been any leaves. A tree without leaves is a dead tree. And the fruit represents the result of that union with God and the tree. It brought forth fruit. A fig tree brings forth fruit. And Jesus coming, he came to his own, to the Jews. He came, if haply he might find the results, the righteous standard of living. He came to his own. He came, if haply he might find anything thereon. He was born in a manger. He came to the Jew first. He came to his own. Can I get that point across? He came if happily he might find anything thereon. To continue with our message that we've been preaching to you this week on the subject, why did Jesus curse the fig tree? You know, as I study about the life of Christ many times, and I read and hear some of the things that have been preached to me down through the years, and then I go back and look at the scriptures, I sometimes marvel at the way Jesus in the Bible has been presented to us. Jesus taught us to bless and curse not. Yet here's an incident where he cursed the fig tree. An interesting story, huh? Why did he do it? Let's recap that just for a moment, all right? I told you how he came out of Jerusalem. He had just rode in on the back of the jackass. And now he is coming out of Jerusalem. He has been rejected. He has come to his own, and his own received him not. In one incident here, on riding on the back of the jackass, it says that he actually wept over Jerusalem and said, "Oh, Jerusalem, Jerusalem, how often I would have gathered you together under my wings, as a mother hen would gather her little brood." He said, "But you would not let me do it. You would." I remember some years ago preaching on that in New York. I just couldn't seem to get past the profoundness of that statement. How often I would have gathered you together. Was like a bird in prison I dwell, no freedom from my sorrow I felt. Then Jesus came and listened to me. Glory to God, he set me free. He set me free. He broke the bars of prison for me. I'm glory bound, my Jesus to see. Glory to God, he set me free. Now I am climbing higher each day. Darkness of night has drifted away. My feet are planted on higher ground. Glory to God, I'm homeward bound. He set me free. He set me free. He broke the bonds of prison for me. I'm glory bound, my Jesus to see. Glory to God, he set me free. Goodbye to sin, things that confound. None of this world can turn me around. Daily I'm working